Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Acorns for passive income, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Acorns for passive income, first, download the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, create an account by entering. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information, including your name and phone number. Next, link your bank account to the app for easy funding. Acorns will ask for your permission to access your financial data to help with investment decisions. When your financial data is linked, Acorns will guide you through a short questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance. Based on your responses, Acorns will suggest an investment portfolio tailored to your comfort level. Once you review and accept the recommended portfolio, you will be prompted to set up automatic contributions. Choose the amount you want to invest and how often you want to contribute, such as weekly or monthly. To maximize your savings, consider enabling the roundup feature, which invests spare change from your purchases. Every time you make a purchase, rounding up to the nearest dollar will automatically invest the difference. After all settings are configured, start monitoring your investments through the app dashboard. You can track your portfolio's performance, view contributions, and see your earnings. Keep in mind that Acorns offers various account types, such as IRAs for retirement savings. Explore different account options based on your financial goals and needs. Consider setting financial goals within the app to motivate your investment behavior. Review your investment performance periodically, balancing your contributions based on changes in your finances. Acorns also provides insights and education on personal finance to enhance your investing skills. Stay informed about market trends and how they may impact your investments within the app. By consistently contributing and staying engaged, you can build a passive income stream over time. As you grow more comfortable, consider exploring additional features and investment strategies offered by Acorns. With patience and consistency, Acorns can be a valuable tool for building wealth through passive income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.